Hello guys, here is a PS4 that is from an arcade machine. The power, it will power itself on by itself. Yes. I think they have a mini circuit in this PlayStation to power it on by itself, because it is related with an arcade machine. Now you can see, and now you can see the display. I'm going to sync the controller and X button, user 1. Now I will run this game, Taken 7. This is the start button of this controller, option button to start the game. Here it says press any button, and now you can see a message. User will be logged out of the PS4 because an error has occurred. Okay. And it also take out of the sync. Again I will enter here and it is on XMB, so it is not letting us to play the game. Here I need to remove this app. Yes. HDD. Now I will connect this HDD to my PC. Oh my god, it is of the size 250 GB, but I think minimum size for PS4 is 500 GB. It is written 250 GB. How is it possible? Anyhow, we have to erase all the partitions from this HDD. For that I have to go to the PC and now we will find this HDD. For this we have to go in manage, then disk management. Find this hard disk. As you can see, there are many partitions in this hard disk. We have to delete all of these partitions one by one. And then we will be able to format this HDD, and then the PS4 itself will make new partitions with its update. So I am doing this because I believe that there is some error in the partition area due to which our game is not going to execute. So now it is unallocated area, and I'm going to make a simple volume for the full size, only one partition here, and I'm going to format it to NTFS. You can format it into any format because PS4 has its own format mode. So let's go for our PS4. We will eject this HDD. It is a Hitachi volume IES, and I'm going to remove the HDD from my PC and will insert it in my PS4. Here I'm going to power it up, and as you know that it is from arcade machine, it will boot up automatically. Yes, I have inserted the HDD after formatting it from my computer, and now let's see what happens. As you can see the display here, we will sync the controller, and here we need the 6.74 later. I have already copied the software in this USB and now inserting it in, and here we will go for OK. System software update. At this process it is installing the copied software into the NAND of its motherboard, and also the remaining software for the HDD installing in HDD. Going to reboot. Updating storage, and now controller is in my hand, and here we will go for the XMP display. Yes, now it should be with white light. You can see the display. And still blue light. will go for the remaining process this, because the HDD is initialized and everything is erased from this console, and to next, cancel, skip. I will go for my location because I am in Pakistan. There I have to select the capital of my country. Maybe it is Islamabad, Karachi. Yes, Karachi. And here we will select, correct the dates. Today is 9, again 9, and 21. At the moment it is 6, 46. Confirm and accept and start now. Here we are now on XMB, select the user 1. Here is our game. The game will now reinstall the game data, so we have to wait for it. Afterward we will check whether the issue is resolved or not. Power plug is inserted and it is going to be power itself on without touching the button. And now I need to go into the safe mode. For that I will release this button at second beep here, and now I will safe mode. In safe mode I will update it at the latest version. And I will go for the update system. Because it is the latest update and I heard some bad news about this update that it can brick the console, so I decided to install it via recovery mode. Here I will press enter and update using internet. So now it will install it. Next. Now we will check for our issue whether it is resolved or not. Syncing the controller. go for user 1. And here is our game, and press the X button to execute the game. Hopefully now the issue will be resolved. Now I'm going to press the option button to start the game. Here I will press X. Yes. So guys, it was a small tip for you, because these issues are very small, but
welcome to the King of Iron Fist Tournament 7, Kazuya Mishima. Get ready for the next battle.
thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you like my video.